Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Footwear Fashion Palace, and I am here with my another video. This video is about some beautiful and some amazing kind of footwears which looks really beautiful and really amazing. And as you see, this one is also a very pretty heel. It's a V shape from the front that looks very beautiful and very amazing. And this one is also a very nice heel. It's in a white color, white base with a transparent kind of thing on the top that looks very pretty and very beautiful. And as you see, this one is also a very amazing kind of heel. It's in a little bit brown and that kind of shade which looks very pretty. And this one is also a very nice slipper. It's in a blue color, very beautiful shade of the blue, which looks very pretty and very beautiful. And as you see, these are some slippers which are very comfortable and that looks very pretty. And as you see, this one is also a very nice kind of heel. It's in a silver metallic kind of thing which looks very beautiful and very amazing. And this one is also a very pretty. It's in a blue color. It's a very dark shade of the blue which looks very beautiful and attractive color. And watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about the different kind of heels that can help you to upgrade the collection of your heels and make it more interesting, more beautiful and more amazing. And these heels will make your footwear collection more beautiful and more amazing and add a touch of glamour. And as you see, these are some block heels which looks very beautiful. And this one is also very nice. It's the very decent and very beautiful design of a pencil heel in a black color, and the design is also very decent and very casual. And this one is also a very pretty kind of heel. It's in a red color with the very different kind of thing on the top that looks very pretty. And as you know, heels are that type of footwear that you can wear with your every kind of outfit, like it's Eastern or it's Western. It looks really beautiful with both and enhance your personality, make your outfit more pretty and make it more amazing and beautiful. And you can wear heel with your every kind of outfit, like it's Eastern or it's Western. It looks really beautiful with your every kind of outfit and make your outfit more beautiful and more amazing. And as you see, this one is also a very pretty heel. It's in a with some yellow beads on the top that looks very beautiful. And this one is also a very nice color combination. The both colors and the design, everything looks very pretty and very beautiful. And as you see, these are some floral based kind of design which looks very pretty and very amazing. And as you see, this one is also a very nice. It's a flat footwear which looks very beautiful and very amazing. And this one is also a very pretty. It's in a blue color. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care, and thanks for watching this video till the end. Bye bye.